Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use VLOOKUP function in WPS Spreadsheet. For example, we have here 3 columns with names, last name and points. If you would like to find the number of points, for example, for Camila, you need to type here the name of the person. For example, I type here Camila. And after that, I need to type here equal sign, VLOOKUP. I need to open the bracket. Then I need to select lookup value. So it will be this value. After that, I press the comma. I select the table array, so I select this table array, I press the comma, and I need to select the column which I want to search. So I want to search in the points column, so I select here column number 3. Then this number will be displayed on this cell. So I type here 3. After that I press comma and I type here false, because we are interested in to use exact match. And then I close the bracket and I press enter. And how you see, we have found the number of the points for Camila. But of course you can try the different names here. For example, I type here maybe John and I press enter. Or I can type here Philip, so I type here Philip and press enter. And how you see, it is being automatically updated in WPS Spreadsheet. So if I helped you to use a VLOOKUP function in WPS Spreadsheet, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solves your problem.